loved talking all day, happily sharing stories across the forest. Whenever someone whispered a secret, Pico excitedly told everyone else. Soon, animals stopped trusting him and slowly walked away sadly. Sitting alone at sunset, Pico regretted his mistakes and loneliness. One day, Wise Turtle discovered a hidden spring deep underground. He shared the secret with Pico and requested complete silence. Pico desperately wanted to tell everyone, but bravely stayed quiet. Summer arrived, and the forest became dry, hot, and thirsty. Watching struggling animals hurt Pico's heart, yet he kept waiting. Suddenly, a fierce storm blocked the only path to water. The frightened animals panicked, unsure how they would survive now. Wise Turtle finally nodded, telling Pico the time had come. Pico revealed the hidden spring and guided everyone safely there. The forest was saved, and trust returned to Pico forever. The moral of the story is real trust comes from knowing when to speak and when to wait.
I